Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2002 Mazda RX7 Spirit R. This casting is from Matchbox and is new for 2026. So it looks like a nice mainline casting, and Matchbox as usual has been doing some good job. So let's open it up and see how does it look. Here's a quick look at the Mazda RX7. At the first look, it looks like a nice casting. We'll deep dive into it, and I think there are a lot of good details for this mainline casting. So it's a beautiful casting in silver and a red interior, I think, which looks good. But you're going to start from the front. So in the front, you can see there are a lot of good details. You've got the, I won't say running lights, but might be the fog lamp or turn indicator combo. So you've got that, and you also get a number plate which reads RX7. And if you look closely, I don't know how visible it is, but the intercooler is also present there, the grille. I think the light doesn't do justice to this one, but there is this black intercooler grille you can see from inside. You also got a splitter in the front, obviously pop-up headlamp, so you don't see those. Both the mirrors, windshield wipers, always good to have. Now let's move to the driver's side. I was thinking it might be a right-hand drive version, but no, it's a left-hand drive. So on the driver's side, a few familiar items. These wheels we have seen on so many different Matchbox main lines, and even on some moving parts throughout the year. Apart from that, you got this grille which is not detailed. You can see like the texture is there, so it's this actually for the turn indicator in the front and the back, but again not detailed. You got the fuel filler on the driver's side. I think the door handle is right there in the B pillar. Apart from that, if you look closely, you can see this looks like a part of a body kit in front and back. And if from the side, you can also see the spoiler. So let's move to the back. So in the back, again, some really good details. You got detailed tail lamp, stop lamp, Mazda badge, RX7 badge, Mazda written there, and a number plate which reads 138 REW. Also, you got this, I don't know if the rear fog or stop lamps at the bottom, but they are also detailed. That's good to have. And if you look closely, you can also see the twin exhaust coming from the side. This one also gets a rear wiper, which is not usually seen on sedan or sports cars, but it does. You can see the glass, it's so different compared to anything we see these days. Very different. Passenger side looks almost identical. Only difference is the fuel filler here, and this is how it looks from the top. You can see the red interior inside. Not a lot of details on the interior, just a basic interior. And this is how the base looks, and contrary to some of the recent casting, it has some details on the base. Base is plastic, obviously being a mainline. So overall, I think it's a very nice looking casting. And if you look from all the angles, it looks really good with all the details present there. And I think Matchbox has done a good job. And if you find one, I think you're gonna like it. It's a good looking casting, and yeah, that's what I can say. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.